Hello everyone. I am Sujata More from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In the course Mathematics for Competitive Exam, now we are discussing aptitude topic simple equations. Learning objectives. Student can understand the concept of variables and equations, and by using this concept and knowledge, they can solve the examples of simple equations. Equations. We start with the variable. Variable means vary or changeable. Constant means fixed numerical values. Now for equation we needed arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Equation means a combination of variable and constant connected with arithmetic operators. Simple equation. A simple equation is an algebraic equation in which each term consists of an exponent of 1. For example, ax plus by equal to c. The degree of variable is always 1. Graph of linear equation is a straight line. Steps for solving the simple equation. First step, assume a variable, small letters x, y, z and so on. Second step, use the given data and frame an equation. Third step, solve the equation and find the required value of variable. Important points for single variable. Consecutive numbers we consider x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Consecutive odd numbers x, x plus 2, x plus 4 because the difference between odd numbers is 2. Consecutive even numbers are same because the difference between even number is 2. Now we discuss single variable problems. Example number 1. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 138. What is the middle number? Now we consider the three consecutive numbers x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Apply the given condition and frame the equation. Addition of these three numbers equal to 138. Now combine the x value and constant term. Therefore 3x plus 3 equal to 138. Now these 3 shifted on right hand side. Then we get 3x equal to 135 and x equal to 45. Therefore three consecutive numbers are 45, 46, 47 and middle number is 46. Therefore our answer is B 46. Example number 2. If 11 added to the sum of three consecutive numbers, then total is 380. What is the smallest number between these numbers? Now three consecutive odd numbers x, x plus 2, x plus 4. Then by applying condition, we form the equation. Combine the terms of x, constant value, then we get 3x equal to 363 and x equal to 121. Therefore, three consecutive numbers are these 121, 123 and 125. The smallest number is 121. Therefore, our answer is C 121. Now example number 3. A box contains certain number of coins of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The total number of coins in is thrice the rupees 5 coins and twice the rupees 2 coins. If the number of coins of rupees 1 are 22, then how much is the total amount in the box? For this, we consider total number of coins in the box equal to x. And given that the number of coins of rupees 1 equal to 22 and by for rupees 2 coins condition is given, therefore number of coins of rupees 2 equal to x by 2. By applying condition for rupees 5 coins, therefore number of coins equal to x by 3. Now total number of coins equal to 22, which are the coins of 1 rupee. Then x by 2 number of coins of rupees 2 and x by 3 the number of coins of rupees 5. The total number of coins equal to x. Now we simplify this by taking LCM. 6 is the LCM of this. Then we get this equation and combine the 3x plus 2x, that means 5x term. And then by cross multiplication, we write down 5x plus 132 equal to 6x, and simplify 5x shifted on other side, then we get x equal to 32. Therefore, number of coins equal to 132 and number of coins of rupees 266 and number of coins of rupees 544. Therefore, the total amount in the box is 22 into rupee 1 plus 66 coins of rupee 2 into 2 plus 44 coins of rupees 5. That means total amount is 374. Our answer is C, 374. Now, for solving the equation 2 and 3 variables, two unknown variables are there, then we needed two distinct conditions or two different equations. For three unknown variables, we needed three distinct equations or three distinct conditions. Now, important point for two variable, that means there are two equations. We solve this equation by elimination method by making coefficient of x or y same. Now here coefficient of x are same and coefficient of y are also same. Therefore, if we added these two equations, then we get 4x equal to 12 and x equal to 3. Now for value of y, we substitute this value of x in any equation or eliminate x variable and find out the value of y. That means we can solve this and then we get x value, one value of x and one value of y. That means we get unique solution. Now in second example, here if we multiply this first equation by 2, then we get this second equation. That means these two equations are same. Therefore, for some value of x, we get value of y. For x equal to 2, we get another value of y. That means there are infinite number of solutions. Now, third case, here 2x plus 3y equal to 5. If we multiply first equation by 2 for making the x variable same, then x and y variables are same, and if we subtracted this x variable and y variable, both are cancelled. That means we cannot solve this, therefore there is no solution. This is the most important point regarding the two variables. Now important point regarding three variables regarding digits. If x and y be the two numbers of 10 place and unit place, then two digit number is 10x plus y. And if we reversing the two digit numbers, then we get 10y plus x term. Here three digit number for x 100 place, y 10 place and z unit place, then three digit number is 100x plus 10y plus z. Now we solve the problems on 2 and 3 variables. Example number 4. The sum of numerator and denominator of the fraction is 13. If 2 is subtracted from the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 3. Find the fraction. Now we consider the numerator is n, denominator is m, fraction is n by m. Now apply the condition. We write down the first equation. N plus d equal to 13. Now apply second condition. That means 2 is subtracted from numerator and 5 is added to the denominator. The fraction value is 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication. Simplify the terms. We get second equation. Now we solve this equation number 1 and 2 by adding. Then we get 4n equal to 24. Therefore n equal to 6. Now we find out the value of d by substituting this value of n in equation 1 and d equal to 7. Therefore, fraction is 6 by 7. Therefore, our answer is B, 6 by 7. Example number 5. 8 times the sum of the digits of two digit number is 3 less than the numbers and 33 more than the numbers obtained by reversing the digits of the two digit number. What is the product of the digits? two-digit number 10x plus y, apply the condition, then we get this equation. We simplify this, gives the equation number 1, 2x minus 7y equal to 3. Now apply next condition, simplify the terms, write down equation number 2. Now we solve these two equations. Here multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2. Then here coefficient of x are same, therefore by adding we get y equal to 1. Substitute this value in equation 1 and find out x equal to 5. Therefore, two-digit number is 51 and product of these two-digit number 5 into 1 equal to 5. Therefore, our answer is B5. Now, example number 6. The middle digit of three-digit number is 0 and the sum of the digits is 9. If 99 is added to a number, the digit interchange their places, find the number. For this x, y, z, three variables at 100 place, 10 place and unit place respectively. Therefore, three-digit number is given in equation 1. Now, middle number is 0, that means y value is 0. Therefore, it converts into two variable equation, that means 100x plus z. Now, sum of two digits is 9, therefore x plus z equal to 9 and apply the condition. We simplify this, then we get another equation. Now, we solve this equation by adding equation number 3 and 4, then we get x equal to 4 and put this value in equation 3, then we get z equal to 5. Therefore, three-digit number is 405, middle number is 0. Therefore, the answer is D 405. Example number 7. Of these three numbers, the sum of first two is 55, the sum of second and third is 65, and the sum of third and twice the first number is 85. Find the find the middle number. Now, this is the example of three variables. Now, let x, y, z be the first, second, and third number respectively. Here, sum of the two numbers x plus y equal to 55. Apply second condition, then we get equation number 2. Apply third condition, we get equation number 3. Now we solve this three equation by any method and find out x, y, z values. Here, if we added equation 1, subtracted equation 1 and 2, then we get x plus z equal to minus 10. Now we solve this equation number 3 and 4, we get x value and z equal to 35 by substituting x equal to 25 in equation 4 and value of y equal to 30. Therefore, three numbers are 25, 30 and 35. Therefore, the middle number is 30. Therefore, our answer is B 30. In this way, we solve the examples of simple equations. Thank you.